Hello all, welcome to this video. Today we'll talk about HyperView MultiCore. So what's exactly HyperView MultiCore? It's a different profile from the HyperView General that most of us know. It employs multi-threaded asynchronous data loading technology that leads to faster loading times and always active application. The main differences with HyperView General is that it has a different dialog when you want to load the model. As you can see, it's a bit different than HyperView General. So in order to load the model and the results, you have to import directly the results file. Also, the dialog is a bit different on how you load steps and results. But we will discuss about importing subcases and data in later videos in this series about HyperView MultiCore. As long as the tools of HyperView MultiCore, they're basically the same, you can do the same things. The main differences is in the workflow of these tools, the contour plot, vector plot, tensor plot, deformation plot and ISO plot. We'll also discuss about these tools, and also HyperView MultiCore offers us some key features in query results that you don't have in HyperView General, and we will see them also in detail in later videos. So now let's see how you can run HyperView MultiCore. So this is the classic window that we all know when you start to run HyperMesh. You have to select, of course, HyperView, and there is this area right there that you have to change the profile from General to MultiCore. And that's basically, you click create a session, and that's basically how you go into the HyperView MultiCore environment. One last thing that I want to mention is that the two HyperView profiles are two different profiles, the General and the MultiCore, and once you select one profile and you create a session, you cannot switch to the other profile. Also, the HyperView sessions saved in one profile cannot be loaded to the other profile. This was a brief introduction about HyperView MultiCore. Stay in the future videos to come in order to learn more about this. Thank you all for staying in this video.